Welcome back, YouTube. We are ripping today 2023 Panini Illusions Football. Not a whole lot to chase in here. Trophy Collection Teal to 175. The good rookies, obviously. If we're lucky, maybe a hit. See if we'll have any luck. 6 packs per box, 10 cards, only 60 cards. Let's see what we can pull today. Obviously looking for CJ and some of the other bigger rookies. But let's see how this product is. Haven't ripped any of this yet. Let's see, rookie, Roschon Johnson. Right off the start here. Here's Michael Mayer for the Raiders. Rookie. So then we have Connor, standard base. Another rookie, Zay Flowers, good rookie for the Ravens. Lots of rookies, looks like. Tank Bigsby for the Jags. Charbonnet for the Seahawks. I mean, this pack's been like all rookies here. Marvin Mims for the Broncos. Gesicki, standard base. Orange. Cedric Tillman, color match. And then we have an insert of DJ Moore for the Bears. So tons of rookies. Looks like we got an acetate card here on the back. There's Hendon Hooker for the Lions. Okay, we got Olave, Joe Mixon, Justin Herbert. Here's a rookie of Clayton Tune for Arizona. Almost thought we had a CJ there for a second, but it's Tank Dell for the Texans. DeAndre Swift base. Tyreek base. Here is a Devontae Adams orange. Cool looking card. And King of Cards, Derwin James. Division rivals there with Devontae and Derwin. Be interested to see if we get any serial numbered cards. There's an O'Connell rookie for the Raiders. Jalen, okay, I guess we're not going to get a ton of rookies in every pack. This pack seems to be mostly standard. Stetson Bennett orange rookie. Again, those are just parallels, non-numbered. Bryce Young, Illusionists. And Will Levis, King of Cards, orange. So two of the top quarterbacks. Rough first year for Bryce, but I think he'll get it turned around once they get some more talent surrounding him. And we can see Will Levis again in this pack. So we got Butker, Tannehill. If you're new to the channel, hit that sub button. Give us that thumbs up if you liked the video. Join us for box breaks. We do PYT breaks through our Facebook. Link is below. Oh, about lost her. There's Jamar, Austin, Kyler, So we have Baker Orange. And then we have Amazing Rookie, Will Levis. Insert. Cool looking insert. Kind of wish that was CJ, but I think Will Levis will be... Man, we are just in a Will Levis hot box here. Maybe I'm supposed to PC him. I don't know. Jigba for Seattle. That one pack we got just must have been the odd pack. Why do we have to go every which way here? Jaden Reed, solid rookie there for the Packers. Our orange is Justin Tucker. Those are looking to be one per pack. And then Shining Star Will Levis. Last pack. Chance to get a hit. Thought for a second it felt a little thicker, but it is not. Oh, CJ, okay. CJ right off the top there. Then we got Dak, Tua, and Josh. Then we got Patrick, King Henry, Jared, Ramondre, Orange, Daniel Jones, and to finish it off, Jordan Addison, Mystique, rookie. Those are pretty cool looking. Yeah, so, I mean, I kind of wish you could get some serial numbered stuff. Or, well, I guess you can, but it only look like those ones. So, let us know in the comments below what you think of Illusions. Is it worth the, what is it, $50, $60 price tag for these megas? We'll probably do a few more boxes on the channel. Again, if you're new, hit that sub button, and we'll see you next time. Keep ripping.